Hi everyone! In today's video I'm going to do this makeup look with a very simple matte high look done with just two different eyeshadows and a pop of color on the lips. First of all, I'm going to start by applying my eyeshadow primer all over my eyelid and set it with a translucent powder. Next, I'm going to apply a transition eyeshadow on my crease. Now, I'm going to apply my brown eyeshadow all over my eyelids and blend it with a transition eyeshadow to make it look softer and without any harsh lines. I will also apply the same eyeshadow on my lower lash line and blend again for a soft finish. As always, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. I always like to start with a serum or a primer to prepare my skin to receive the foundation. Today, I'm going to apply my Vichy serum all over my face. Next, I'm going to apply my foundation with a buffer brush. Next, onto some concealer, I apply that on my dark circles and I blend it with the help of my fingers and a makeup sponge. I'm going to conceal my breakouts with a cream concealer, and I will apply it with a very thin brush on the areas that I need. I'm also going to improve the shape of my lips for my lipstick application. Now, I'm going to apply a cream blush with a soft fiber brush to make it look more natural. And I'm going to apply a little bit of highlights on the top of my cheekbones. And to set it in place, I will use a translucent powder all over my face. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of bronzer to give more dimension to my face and also a little bit of warmth. Blend my eyeshadows again to make sure it stays with a soft finish. To keep my eyebrows in place, I will brush them upwards with my soap brows. Moving on to my lips, I'm going to line my lips with a lip liner. I always start by applying it in the middle of my lips, connecting with the corners. This technique helps in making the line more precise. On top of that, I will use a bright pink lipstick, but this high look looks good with any lipstick, so you can use the color that you like. To finish this look, I'm going to apply my fixing spray and after that, a little bit more of highlight. And this is the final look. I hope that you've liked it. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!